LeeAnne and welcome to my channel. It's been a while guys na I haven't shoot. So now, and I missed you so much and I'm so thankful na you are still there for me. And I hope that you will have fun today. As you know, I'm a teacher here in Thailand and my salary here in Thailand is not that much. But I see to it that I can save, even though a little amount, I can put something in my piggy bank. And I've started this late of August, last week of August I think, or first week of September, something like that. And now we'll see kung, so August, September, October, November, December, January, February. So now 6 months 6 months and saving. So hindi, I don't know if how much money is there inside now, but I am excited to see that. Are you excited as well? I hope you are. Okay guys, so ito na ang ating Alkansya, at saka i-open na natin to, at saka I have a knife here. Let's see if this one can open. I don't think this one can open. OMG. Parang ayaw. So guys, ngayon ay bilangin na natin kung magkano to, ha? So may 500 pesos. 500 pesos. Kasi na-mix pala to kasi yung pera ko galing sa Philippines, nilagay ko na dito. So 50 baht. 50 baht. Ito pesos. So isipar natin to. Dapat may listahan tayo, no? Dapat may listahan tayo. Okay, kuha muna ako ng listahan, ha? Okay, so, pesos first. Kasi may mga pesos ako nilagay dito, eh. May pesos ako nilagay dito. I-count natin. Ilang peso ba ito? Ilang peso ba ito nilagay natin? Oh, dalawang 500. So, natin 2 times 500, tapos 1, 2, 3, 4, apat na 104 times 100, at saka dalawang 50. 2 times 50. Okay, tsaka sa baht naman kasi siya, eh. Okay. Sa baht naman, isang 500. 1 times 500. Ayan. At saka 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 na 100. 7 times 100. Tapos 1, 2, 3. 3 na 50, 3 na 50, at saka 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 na 20. So,